This video shows a $3 battery quartz clock mechanism taken apart. And I've separated the coil, the copper wires that you see there, wound around a core, from the quartz chip and the chip inside the clock that actually drives it. And I have connected it up to some different electronics. And it is actually running. Now, what happens is that every second, the polarity going into that coil is reversed. And that makes a magnet move, which is attached to the bottom of that little wheel that you can see there. Can I see? Let's see if I can pick it up and show you the magnet. Yeah, here it is. Here is the magnet. That's at the bottom of that wheel that's spinning around that I've taken out. Now I'm going to put it back. And there we are, it's moving and spinning again. I put a black dot of ink on the top of it because you can't really see it moving without that. Now the ends of the coil are connected via some cables and alligator clips to a chip, which is a driver for a stepper motor. A quartz clock is basically a kind of stepper motor. And this is connected to an Arduino microcontroller, which runs a program which switches the polarity to the coil every second. But the interesting thing is that we can change the polarity rate. It doesn't have to be every second. It could be every 2 seconds or every 3 seconds. Or we could make it run much faster. We can make the clock run twice as fast as it normally would. And the Arduino is powered by this blue cable which runs into the USB port of my desktop computer. So this clock mechanism here is now not being powered by a quartz chip. It's not being powered by a battery. It's running from a little bit of current coming out of the USB port of my computer, and the actual frequency with which the clock ticks is governed by some code which is up here on my desktop computer screen. So now it can make clocks run faster or slower at whim. Think how useful that would be if everybody could determine how fast their clocks were going to run. Thank you for listening. This is Jonathan Monck-Mason. Bye-bye.